you.
na po. Thank you. Tangi bag shoe.
Yeah?
Tangi
Ano yung bulandan? Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Magandang hapon. Welcome aboard. Hi. Magandang hapon.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seat back upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any spark-producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited. Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seat back upright. Use of
Good afternoon, sir.
devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any spark-producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Thank you.
Ating
Ilalim na lang yun
Yan
sa
na.
harap. Thank you.
Thank you.